Friends, welcome to my video. Kindly click on the CC button for subtitles. Let's dive into the topic of spirituality, a journey that's personal, full of exploration and yet uniquely universal. It's like stepping into an ocean. On the surface, it might seem vast and intimidating, but once you get your feet wet, you find a beautiful, deep world full of life and wonders waiting to be discovered. Spirituality, for starters, isn't tied to any specific religion or belief system. It's about your individual journey towards understanding the essence of your being, the world, and your place in it. Think of it as a quest to find your unique inner rhythm, the music that resonates within your soul. Next, embrace mindfulness. In our fast-paced world, it's easy to miss the magic in the mundane. We often live in the past or the future, forgetting that life unfolds in the present. So, slow down, savor your coffee a little longer, listen to the birds, observe the trees swaying with the wind. In these moments of here and now, you'll find spiritual whispers. Then there's the profound practice of meditation. It's like decluttering your mind, making room for peace and self-awareness. It's about learning to be comfortable in silence, with your thoughts and emotions. You may start with just 5 minutes a day, and slowly increase your time. There's no rush. Remember, it's a journey. Spirituality is also about connections, with people, nature, and the universe. Every interaction you have is a spiritual exchange. By being kind, compassionate, and empathetic, you tap into a higher form of love and unity, thereby enriching your spiritual journey. Journals can be a great tool on this path. Write about your thoughts, experiences, dreams, and realizations. Seeing your spiritual journey unfold in words can be incredibly enlightening. It's also crucial to listen to your intuition, your inner voice. Sometimes it's just a whisper, sometimes a roar, but it's there to guide you. Trust it. It's the language of your soul speaking to you. Remember, spirituality is not a one-size-fits-all. It's a personal journey that takes time and patience. Be gentle with yourself. You are a spiritual being having a human experience, and each step you take brings you closer to your true self. Also, it's essential to approach spirituality with an open mind and heart. Be ready to unlearn and relearn. As you peel off layers of conditioned beliefs, you will discover your own spiritual truths. It's like uncovering a masterpiece that was always there, hidden beneath years of dust and grime. Lastly, find joy in the journey. It's not about reaching a destination. It's about the insights, the growth, the evolution, and the transformation you experience along the way. It's about dancing in the rain, marveling at a sunset, crying at a movie, laughing from your belly, loving deeply, and living fully. Spirituality is all around us and within us. It's about finding the extraordinary in the ordinary, the sacred in the simple, and the miraculous in the mundane. As you embark on this spiritual journey, know that you're not alone. The universe is with you, guiding you, supporting you. And you have an invaluable guide within you, your inner self. Spirituality is a discovery of the self, a self that is much deeper than your personality or physical body. It is realizing that you are a part of something much grander, a universal tapestry that's interconnected in unimaginable ways. Now, you might be wondering, how do I know if I'm making progress on my spiritual journey? Well, spiritual progress isn't about reaching a specific milestone or goal. It's more subtle than that. It's the sense of peace you feel when chaos surrounds you, the resilience you show in the face of adversity, the compassion you extend to others without expectation, the love you have for yourself. The road to spirituality isn't always easy. It's not about bypassing the challenges of life but learning from them. It's about transforming the obstacles into stepping stones. It's about cultivating inner strength and wisdom that help you navigate life's storms with grace and grit. On this path, you'll also come to realize the impermanence of everything. Our bodies, emotions, thoughts, the world around us, they're in a constant state of flux. Spirituality helps us embrace this impermanence, understand that change is the only constant, and let go of our tight grip on control. A significant part of spirituality is also about forgiveness. We are all human, we make mistakes, and we get hurt. Holding on to resentment or anger can be heavy. Forgiving others, and more importantly, forgiving yourself, can lighten that load, bringing in healing and inner peace. Remember, you don't need to renounce the world to be spiritual. You can be a CEO, an artist, a teacher, a parent, and be spiritual. Spirituality isn't about discarding the world but seeing it through a different lens, a lens of love, understanding, and unity. And most importantly, honor your own pace in this journey. It's okay to pause and rest. There are no deadlines, no competitions. This journey is yours and yours alone. Everyone's spiritual path is unique and beautiful in its own way, just like a fingerprint or a snowflake. Starting your spiritual journey may seem daunting, but it's like learning to ride a bike or play an instrument. You stumble, you fall, you hit a few wrong notes, but with time, patience, and practice, you get better. You start to enjoy it. And soon, it becomes a part of you. Embrace the journey, trust the process, and let the journey of spirituality unfold with all its beauty and brilliance. And above all, remember this: you are a part of the cosmos, a shining star on a grand celestial canvas. You are love. You are light. You are spirit.